guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing like a cold girl makeup look, but I'm going to be using all the products from L'Oreal. Some of the products I'm going to be trying out for the first time today and I'm super excited. I haven't done my skincare yet. Also ये मेरे हाथ में काफ़ी ज़्यादा दर्द हो रहा था, so you'll have to ignore this thing right here, but it's helping me to heal. So yes, if you want to see how I get my look done, then please keep on watching. Today I also have to go out, so let's get started. Actually super cold in here, like around like 8-9 degrees Celsius here, and it's very cold. Like my hands are very cold, but I still need to do my skincare because if you're doing like a makeup tutorial or a makeup look, you have to do your skincare. You have to prep your skin. I'm gonna start off with using this L'Oreal Paris Innovation Glycolic Bright Glowing Daily Cleanser Foam. That's a long name, but I have heard really good things about this one, and this is how the tube looks like. I'm gonna be washing my face today with this, and let's see, today I'm not gonna be using a primer, so I'm gonna prep my skin really well. So this is the cleanser that I'm gonna be using. Let me just wash my face super quick. Alright, so I'm gonna wash my face here. First of all, today I'm up early. It's 8 o'clock right now and I have to like go for a breakfast brunch kind of thing. So I'm gonna get ready. I just want to make a video, so इसीलिए मैं पहले तैयार हो रही हूँ. I'm just gonna wet my face first. So I'll highly recommend you guys to use cold water to wash your face. See how the consistency looks like. This is how it looks like. Rub that in between my fingers and just start cleansing. It's a foaming cleanser. I love foaming cleansers for my skin. A little bit goes a long way, so you should be using like lesser amount. I've used like quite a lot. I hope my voice is clear because a lot of you guys sometimes text me कि आपकी voice slow आ रही है और ऐसे आ रही है, तो इसीलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा mic में changes किया है. Let's see how it goes this time. I'm just gonna go and wash this off and let's see कि कैसा result आता है. Alright, so I've washed my face. It feels so clean and fresh. Oh my god, I'm ready to put on some makeup. I have a new serum to try out. I'm so always excited to try out new serums, and L'Oreal का जो hyaluronic acid है ना, that is my absolute favorite. This is the Glycolic Bright Serum, and I feel like this is also going to be nice because if the hyaluronic acid was good, but you never know, I'll have to try it for some time. But today is going to be like first impressions. I feel like my skin has like woken up after using that face wash, that cleanser. My skin feels so fresh. I was like still sleepy a bit, but now my skin feels really nice. I'm just opening the package. As you guys can see, packaging looks like this is the recently launched serum and it looks super cute. This is the 1% glycolic acid serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply this. So since it's winter's going on, there are so many events going on, like functions are there, or we have to like go out and about. If you haven't made any plans yet, I will highly recommend you guys to make one with your friends if it's been a long time, because it's that time of the year you guys should celebrate. I know बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. ऐसे के looks करने के लिए ना, like if you want to do like an event look or a brunch look, you should definitely know the importance of hydration, hydrating your skin, because it's very important. It will make your makeup look really nice. तो आप कम makeup use करके भी अच्छे लग सकते हो, अच्छे दिख सकते हो. I will be using very less amount of makeup today. You'll just see in a bit. I'm confused. What should I wear to the brunch? Let's see. The serum, to be honest, is not bad. I'll have to use it like several times to give the perfect review, but for the first impressions, I'm really impressed. My skin feels a little tacky after this. Not bad. Now I have this Glycolic Bright Glowing Cream Day. This also has SPF of 17, so it's perfect to pair with this serum, because they say it's like not packaging on these new products are really cute. Like look at this. This is how the tub looks like, and very premium packaging, I must say. They say it has SPF of 17 and it's a glowing cream day. Smooth over face and neck every morning, layers well under makeup. And this is my first time opening this. Oh my god, this looks yummy. I just want to eat it up. Look at this. So I have a lot of it here in the cap. Just gonna use a little bit. I need a lot of hydration underneath my makeup. I love hydrating my skin. Even if you have oily skin, I think you should definitely apply moisturizer, and I think I took too much. I don't know how much is required. I'm just gonna, so good. It smells amazing. Take it like over my eyes like this. I can see it has SPF. I can feel the SPF. I can smell the SPF here. I will take a little bit more. Like how it's absorbing instantly. What do you guys think? Like, you have seen everything on live while me applying this. What do you guys think? What do you have to say about the difference? Like, I like it, to be honest. I'm ready for the makeup. Now let's start with the foundation directly.
Alright, so before showing you the cold makeup look, let me share with you my holy grail routine first. This is perfect when you want a low coverage base, and this is best suitable for vacations or any daytime occasions. All you have to do is pat, swipe and set. You have to use Glycolic Bright Serum and Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder, and you are all set in just 2 simple steps. Yes, that's about it. Glycolic Bright Serum gives you an instant glow and reduces dark spots by also giving your skin an even base to work with, and the foundation in a powder gives an instant mattifying coverage by covering it like a foundation and mattifying like a powder. It stays on 24 hours in just one swipe, and the best part, it's transfer proof, waterproof and sweat proof, perfect for your all day long plans. Just pat the serum, swipe the powder and you're all set. उसके बाद में थोड़ा सा हल्का हल्का blush और lipstick लगाई. Yes, that is about it. Now let's continue with the cold makeup look.
Got the L'Oreal का नया वाला जो primer launch हुआ है, but unfortunately I lost it somewhere. I am unable to find it, so I'm just gonna go directly with the foundation. The L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte coverage foundation, and I have it in the shade 106 Sun Beige, जो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा light है, and the other shade is 257 True Sun. So I'm just gonna mix these two. I'm gonna see, firstly I'm gonna check कि कौन सा shade कैसा है. But I love this foundation. Honestly, if you have oily skin, or even if you have dry skin, like, you will love this foundation. So this is the shade Sun Beige, which is lighter. As you guys can see, you can tell it's light, and it's like a pretty warm shade. It doesn't go well with my skin. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Very travel friendly. This is in the shade 257 True Sun. Let me see how the shade is. Okay, both the shades look quite similar. So you just need very little amount because this foundation is very full coverage, and for the cold girl makeup you don't need a lot of it. That's it, because we have concealer also. Start with very light layer. It's not like exactly matte finish. Also, if you have noticed one thing, I'm not applying anything on my eyelids. I'm just gonna keep my eyelids very minimal and very natural. Foundation, we're done, and it looks super nice. If you want, you can like keep blending it out. It's a very full coverage foundation, so if you want, you can use very little amount to use it for daytime, and if you want, you can like make it full coverage. Super excited about this next step. This is the concealer, and for that I have Infallible Full Wear Concealer. A lot of people love this concealer. Like, I've heard Malvika talking about this, I've heard Tati Beauty talking about this, and I'm super excited to try it out. And let's see how the wand looks like. Yeah, so the wand is also super thick. I'm just gonna apply a very little amount, just like so. I think the shade is perfect for like concealing and even brightening my face. Oh my god, this is so nice. I'm not taking it over my eyelids because I want my eyelids to be pigmented. And this is so super quick, by the way. See, it's so brightening as well as full coverage. Love the shade. So by the way, the shade is 314 Beige. I absolutely love this concealer. Is this my new favorite concealer? This concealer is not creasing on me. Like, abhi tak, like, I'm like, when I apply the concealer and then I blend it out, uske kuch hi seconds ke baad my eyes, under eyes starts to crease a lot. Like, a lot means product ikatha ho jata hai mere under eye creases pe. This one's not doing that, and it's a hyped product for a reason. I have this Rouge Signature lipstick from L'Oreal again. This one is in the shade 130 Amaze. I Amaze, and the packaging is very pretty. Like, this is one of my favorite lipstick formulas out there, and I'm just gonna use on my cheeks for the cold girl makeup look. Now for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the color over my sponge, just like so. And this is a very light formula, by the way, so you don't have to be scared to apply this. And just take it over here, over the temples, just like so. You have to over apply your blush for this. I think I applied too much, so you can take it from here and apply it on your nose. अब nose के center में apply नहीं करना, you have to apply it underneath your nose so that it looks like cold. You have to apply it on your chin as well. So I'm using this moisturizer for my highlighting today. I haven't done that before, but I want like a, and you don't have to swipe. If you swipe the moisturizer, it will take off your makeup. So you just have to tap it just like that. And because this has SPF in it, it will give you the glow that you're looking for. Also, I'm gonna set my face as well because setting is very important. Now you can see the glow that moisturizer has given me. If you want, you can apply a little bit more blush, but I think it's enough for me today. The only trick is just tap the product a little bit on the nose. That's a little hack from me to you. So my forehead looks a little dry, so I'm just gonna use this. If you want, you can use your blender to just dab like that. So you don't need to apply a highlighter. The highlighter will make it look a little unnatural, but the moisturizer, it's gonna make it look natural, and it's like just you're glowing from within. You have to do this step before setting your face, okay? Super viral product. This is the Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. Now this is gonna be a full coverage one, but we're gonna apply it in like a very lesser amount. If you want, you can just go for this. If you have like very oily skin, you can just go ahead with this one. I did all these steps because I'm extra and I love that, but you can skip these steps and just go with this. You'll get like a nice natural look. I haven't tried this powder yet, by the way. Alright, so this is how the product looks like, and I'm just gonna open that. The shade looks fine. I'm just gonna take the product right there. It's very full coverage. I'm just gonna take a very little amount and just get rid of the creases underneath the eyes and just apply it. Shade is exactly my skin tone, but in a, I would say, pink tone, undertone. Iski thodi pink hai, so that is something I would like to change, but I absolutely love the product. My skin has never looked this good, especially when I'm breaking out. The second last step is the mascara. I'm gonna use my favorite, my absolute favorite. I've talked so many times, I've spoken so many times about this in my videos. So this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is my absolute favorite mascara and very affordable as well. So if you're looking for a high-end performance in an affordable price, this is the one. The wand on this makes it so easy. Like you just need maximum 3 coats to get the perfect lash. I'll just show you what I'm talking about. You'll see the difference. इसकी जो wand है ना, वो hourglass shape की है, which makes it perfect. This fits on your eyes and just lifts it up like a dream. That's one coat, and you can see the difference. That's just one coat, and you don't have to miss the mascara for the cold girl makeup look, because this is like very important. That's the second coat, and you can see the difference clearly, right? And the third coat, I love doing like 3 coats of this mascara because it gives me the satisfaction that yes, I've applied it. If you want, you can just stop at 2. It just coats your lashes perfectly. So this is the difference between the mascara eye and the without mascara eye. My lashes are like up to the clouds. I love this mascara so much. Just gonna do it on the other eye as well. Alright, so that is the mascara. Like, you can never go wrong with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now for the last step, that is going to be the lipstick. Now iska jo hai na, main concept kaise karna hai is to take a lipstick first and just go ahead with like one very light layer of the lipstick all over the lips. I'm going to use the same shade. You need to go like with a very light layer, just like a tint. Like मैंने थोड़ा सा एक जगह पे apply किया, and now I'm just spreading it out. You just need to apply the lipstick in a larger amount in the center of your lips to make it like an ombre look. Here. And that's the ombre that we'll get. And yes, that is our cold girl makeup look. I'm just gonna change my outfit and I'll be right back. And yes, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go out now. It's like super beginner friendly makeup. I just added a little bit of lip oil. इस natural look के साथ थोड़ा सा gloss अच्छा लगेगा, so I added that. And yes, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Check out all the products in the description. Bye.